Hello, welcome to your August workshop where we'll be talking through candidate control and how we can increase your offer acceptance. And something that we've been talking a lot about recently, and something that I think just comes up in general with offers, is counter offers.
Yeah, it happens and will always happen in your role team. And if you are one of the majority, and I'd say almost all of us suffer from this, if you're not getting 100% acceptance rate on your candidate offers, then there's some work to be done and some refining to be done. And it's not hugely different to what you're already doing, team. It is about understanding candidate motivators throughout the whole process. From the minute you engage with them and you reach out to them on LinkedIn and have your first conversation, there's things that we need to be saying and discussing at that stage to ascertain someone's likelihood to accept an offer. And then we need to be having those conversations throughout the process to bring those offers to light so that when the all-important offer is made, we are 90% sure that we've dotted our I's, crossed our T's, and we are sure they will accept before the offer's made. So one thing that I always said to any consultant working for me was, do not make an offer unless you can say to me, I'm 90% sure this person will accept this particular offer, because we've already had these conversations. We've workshopped it, we've talked about counter offers, they're still super motivated to accept. That's when you can confidently put an offer out to a candidate, when you've got that level of confidence.
And there's a life cycle, I think, of moving a candidate through, you know, from interviewing or applying for a role and accepting the interview stage. But the bits that are sit in between that is like the glue of the process and managing that process, and the counter offers and the conversations we're having around that makes it so much more seamless. And that's a lot of work to move a candidate through the process only to get to the end and it something come up like a counter offer.
And guys, why should you pay attention to this particular part of the process? Because it makes you money. And it saves you, honestly, so much time. If you can get really good at managing the candidate part of the process, ensuring you're moving people through well enough to an acceptance, the less work you have to do in taking more people through that process because someone's rejected an offer. We waste so much time as recruiters taking people through a full journey of interviewing only to find out they're actually not super motivated to accept. So this makes you money and saves you so much time, and actually is really beneficial for your clients when you've got a good handle on your candidates. So everyone should please tune into this one. It's hugely beneficial. We will see you in August
28th. See you later.